Now in present lecture we will discuss next one article. एक नवीन article continue करूया, that is a factorization and defactorization formulae. Defactorization formulae. I think these are applications of previous articles. Up to this one we have studied 3 articles. Very first it is a trigonometric functions of compound angle, second one is trigonometric function of allied angle, and after that we have continued double angle, half angle, triple angle, and few problems we have also solved on that one. With the help of this we will continue for factorization and defactorization. In this one addition formulae are needful. I think you are knowing basic 4 addition formulae. Very first addition formula it is sin of a plus b. Second addition formula is of sin of a minus b. Third one is cos of a plus b, and very last it is cos of a minus b. Just I will write here formula for sin of a plus b. It should be here sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. It is your first one. Second formula it is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Very next it is a cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Last formula it is cos a cos b, and it is minus, here it is cos of a plus b, so we have to write here minus, and when it is cos of a minus b it should be here plus sin a into sin b. How many formulae we have written here? 4 formulae. It is third one and this is the fourth one. हे जे 4 फॉर्म्युले लिहिले आहेत हे बेसिक 4 फॉर्म्युले म्हणजे कोणते फॉर्म्युले आहेत? ॲडिशन फॉर्म्युले. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दीज 4 फॉर्म्युले वी आर डिराइविंग व्हॉट? फॅक्टरायझेशन अँड डिफॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युले. नाउ प्रोसेस इज लाईक दिस. तुम्हाला 4 प्रोसेस करायच्या. फर्स्ट प्रोसेस, फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड इक्वेशन ॲडिशन. सेकंड प्रोसेस कोणती आहे? फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड इक्वेशनचं सबट्रॅक्शन. नंतर थर्ड आणि फोर्थ इक्वेशनचं ॲडिशन, आणि एकदम शेवटला काय करावं लागेल तर थर्ड अँड फोर्थ इक्वेशनचं सबट्रॅक्शन. म्हणजे एकूण 4 फॉर्म्युले आहेत ज्याला ॲडिशन फॉर्म्युले म्हणतोय. याच्यावर बेसिक प्रोसेस वापरायची आहे इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड फॅक्टरायझेशन अँड डिफॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युले. दीज आर द 4 प्रोसेसेस. पहिली प्रोसेस असेल फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड इक्वेशनचे ॲडिशन, नंतर फर्स्ट सेकंडचं सबट्रॅक्शन, नंतर थर्ड फोर्थचं ॲडिशन आणि थर्ड फोर्थचं सबट्रॅक्शन. एक पहिली प्रोसिजर कंटिन्यू करूया. फर्स्ट प्लस सेकंड. कोणता फॉर्म्युला डिराइव्ह होतो चेक करू आता. 1 + 2 गिव्स. व्हेरी फर्स्ट it is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. आन्सर किती येतं चेक करू आता. इट इज sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Addition of these two, sin a cos b, sin a cos b. Addition of these two, both are same, so addition is here twice of sin a cos b. This cos a sin b, cos a sin b with opposite sign, same quantity, it get cancelled. It is your final answer. It is a formula number 5. This process it is 1 + 2. Now second process is 1 - 2 gives. Now if we subtract these 2 equations, rough sketch I will be doing here. If we take subtraction, second term sign changes here minus, and this minus it become plus. In this one sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. I will write here sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. What should be answer? This sin a cos b, sin a cos b, this is same quantity, opposite sign, it get cancelled, and this is a plus and plus, both quantities are same, it become twice, so it is a 2 times cos a sin b. It is equation number 6. This is 1 + 2, this is 1 - 2. Now process is here 3 + 4. Third equation plus fourth equation gives. Addition of these two now, cos and cos. Addition of these two, it is cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. What should be answer? We have to continue here. These two quantities, same quantities, same sign, so it becomes twice of cos a cos b. Twice of cos a cos b. Say this is equation number 7. And last process is थर्ड इक्वेशन मायनस फोर्थ इक्वेशन, थर्ड मधून फोर्थ सबट्रॅक्ट करू. आता थर्ड मधून फोर्थ सबट्रॅक्ट केलं तर इक्वेशन काय येतं चेक करू. थर्ड मायनस फोर्थ, हा फर्स्ट सेकंड रब करतोय. थर्ड अँड फोर्थ, हियर इज मायनस, हियर इज मायनस, हियर इज ऑल्सो minus. This cos A cos B it get cancelled, so cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B, it is cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. Answer is here. These two term get cancelled, minus and this minus, minus minus addition, here it is minus 2 sin A into sin B, and I think it is equation number 8. Now original addition formula are 4. एकूण ओरिजिनल 4 ॲडिशन फॉर्म्युले होते. 4 ॲडिशन फॉर्म्युल्यापासून काय करतोय, फर्स्ट अँड सेकंडचं ॲडिशन एकदा केलं, एकदा सबट्रॅक्शन, पुन्हा थर्ड अँड फोर्थचं ॲडिशन, थर्ड अँड फोर्थचं सबट्रॅक्शन. किती फॉर्म्युले मिळालेत म्हणते, 4, 5th 6th 7th and 8. नाउ पुट, इफ यू राईट दिस, ए प्लस बी ला सी रिप्लेसमेंट दिली, ए मायनस बी ला जर डी रिप्लेसमेंट दिली, ए आणि बीच्या सेपरेट व्हॅल्यूज काढू. आता ए प्लस बी ला सी म्हणते, ए मायनस बी ला डी म्हणते. इफ यू ॲड दिस, याला ॲडिशन केलं तर बी अँड बी गेट कॅन्सल, 2a इज इक्वल टू सी प्लस डी. इन सेम फॅशन इफ यू प्रोसीड, 2b इक्वल टू काय येईल तर सी मायनस डी. सो दिस इज इम्प्लाय ए इक्वल टू सी प्लस डी बाय 2, अँड दिस इज इम्प्लाय बी इज इक्वल टू C minus D by 2. A plus B, it is replaced by C. A minus B, it is replaced by D. So this formula will utter like this. Sin A plus B लिहायचं नाही आहे, it is replaced by C. A minus B लिहायचं नाही आहे, it is replaced by D. So we write like this, sin C plus sin D 2. Don't write this A, don't write this B. A is replaced by C plus D by 2, and B is replaced by C minus D by 2. So with the help of this one, A plus B जिथं असेल तिथं C रिप्लेसमेंट द्या, A minus B जिथं असेल तिथं D रिप्लेसमेंट द्या. A सिंगल असेल तर त्याला C plus D by 2 लिहा, B सिंगल असेल तर त्याला C minus D by 2. हे 4 फॉर्म्युले जे आहेत ते रिपीट कसे लिहिता येतील कंटिन्यू करतोय. आता फिफ्थ फॉर्म्युला बिकम्स, हा फॉर्म्युला लिहिता येईल साइन सी प्लस साइन डी. व्हॉट शुड बी आन्सर, याला लिहिता येईल 2 साइन ए इज रिप्लेस बाय सी प्लस डी बाय 2, अँड दिस कॉस ऑफ बी इज रिप्लेस बाय सी मायनस डी बाय 2. सिक्स्थ फॉर्म्युला कसा रिप्लेस असेल, साइन ए चं साइन सी असेल, साइन सी मायनस साइन डी, इट इज इक्वल टू 2 cos, here it is C plus D by 2 into sin of B. B means C minus D by 2. Next, 7th implies, 7th la replacement असेल cos C plus cos D, and answer is here 2 cos. A is replaced by C plus D by 2, and that cos B is replaced by C minus D by 2. Very next, 8th equation implies cos, this 8th one, A plus B is replaced by C minus cos, this A minus B is replaced by D. So this answer is minus 2 sin, very first is C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. If we write instead of minus it plus, then we can write this as sin of C plus D by 2, and this is sin of, but don't write C minus D, right here D minus C upon 2. Whatever formula we have written on the board on left hand side, this formula converts sum or difference into what, into product. Here technique is left hand side is with sum or difference, and right hand side is with, it is with product. Now when formulae convert sum or difference into product, such a formulae are called factorization formulae. फॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युली कन्फर्म ओळखायचं असेल तर एकदा क्लिअर लक्षात ठेवून द्या. जे फॉर्म्युले तुमचा सम आणि डिफरन्सचं कन्व्हर्जन प्रोडक्टमध्ये करतील त्या फॉर्म्युल्यांना कोणते फॉर्म्युले म्हणणार? फॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युली. फॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युली कन्वर्ट्स सम और डिफरन्स into what? Product. Reverse situation happens, then it is called defactorization. Reverse situation means प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये जर प्रोडक्ट असेल आणि त्याचं कन्व्हर्जन कशात केलं तुम्ही सम और डिफरन्स मध्ये, तर त्याला म्हणणार आपण डिफॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युली. ॲक्च्युअली हे रिझल्ट रिव्हर्स पद्धतीने लिहितोय. व्हॉट इज 2 sin a into cos b? It is written as sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. How this 2 cos a sin b written as sin of a? I will write this formula in reverse order. Very first formula is 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin of a plus b. I will write in reverse from 5 6 7 8. Just 1 minute from 5 6 7 8. What is the fifth formula? Right hand side is 2 sin a cos b. Your answer is from fifth one sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. This is from fifth. Sixth check केला तर 2 cos a sin b, it is equal to sin of a plus b. Sixth इक्वेशन पासून कंटिन्यू करतोय. It is minus sin of a minus b. Seventh इक्वेशन कंटिन्यू केलं तर it is a 2 cos a cos b and it is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. And if we take last eighth equation लिहितो इथं 2 sin a sin b, it is equal to cos of, I will reverse, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Just observe, लेफ्ट हँड साइड कोणतं साइन आहे म्हणलात तर प्रॉडक्ट, आणि राइट हँड साइडला साइन कोणतं आहे? कधी सम आहे तर कधी डिफरन्स आहे. जस्ट हियर सम और समटाइम्स इट इज व्हाट? डिफरन्स. नाउ सी द बेसिक चेंज in this formula. Sum or difference, it is converted in the fashion of product, and here reverse situation happens. Here product, it is converted in the fashion of plus or minus. Then this is a reverse situation of original one, and that's why these formulae are called defactorization formulae. डिफॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युली. ओरिजिनल फॉर्म्युला आपण जे कन्वर्ट करून घेतले ते आहेत तुमचे फॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युली, आणि हे आहेत तुमचे डिफॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युली. टोटल चॅप्टर ऑर दिस टोटल आर्टिकल डिपेंड्स अपॉन जस्ट 8 फॉर्म्युली. हे 4 फॉर्म्युले आहेत ज्याच्यामध्ये सम अँड डिफरन्समध्ये प्रॉब्लेम असेल, प्रोडक्टमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे, आणि हे 4 फॉर्म्युले ज्यांना आपण डिफॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युले म्हणतोय ज्याच्यामध्ये प्रॉडक्ट कन्वर्टेड इनटू सम और डिफरन्स. Basic article is finished here. We have to take problems on this one. I will take problems now. Basic theories of factorization and defactorization. In current article or in current lecture, I have discussed 2 formulae. First one is factorization and second one is defactorization formulae. Factorization formulae converts sum or difference into product, and defactorization formulae converts product into sum or difference. हे मात्र बेसिक डिफरन्स लक्षात ठेवा. जेव्हा तुम्हाला सम डिफरन्स प्रोडक्टमध्ये टाकायचं आहे तेव्हा फॅक्ट वापरा किंवा फॅक्ट फॉर्म्युले वापरा, आणि प्रोडक्टचं सम डिफरन्समध्ये पाहिजे असेल तर डिफॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युली. दिस फॉर्म्युली आर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर्म्युली इन ऑर्डर टू मेक क्लिअर कन्सेप्ट. विल टेक फ्यू प्रॉब्लेम्स. काही प्रॉब्लेम्स घेऊयात की जेणेकरून ही कन्सेप्ट एकदम वाईड आणि क्लिअर राहतील म्हणते. दॅट इज फॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युली अँड डिफॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युली. Just we will take some problems on factorization and defactorization, and after that we will stop the lecture. Now we will take problems. Few problems we will take now. Okay, problems continue करूया from your book actually. Here question number 1. Express the following as sum or difference. express the following as sum or difference of two trigonometric functions. Very first काही few questions continue करते. It is a 2 sin 4x into cos 2x. You are knowing what is the role of fact and what is the role of defact. Fact means factorization and defact means defactorization. When problem is given in some difference, duty is to convert in product. If such a situation is there, then we have to use factorization formulae, and defactorization formulae are used when problem is given in product and we have to convert is in sum or difference which question is given. Express the following in sum or difference. Product is given in product, problem is given in product form, and we have to convert in sum or difference. So which formula we have to use? Defact. How many formulae of factorization are there in syllabus? 4. And how many for defactorization? There are also 4. In current problem is given in product, we have to convert in sum or difference, so we have to remember which formulae? Defactorization. So how many defactorization formulae that we will quote? First formula is 2 sin A cos B. Second formula is 2 cos A sin B. Third formula is 2 cos A cos B. And fourth defactorization formula is 2 sin A sin B. Now basic question before you. This problem, that is a question given, it is of which format? First, second, third, fourth. Here is 2 sin into cos. This is sin into cos, means given problem is of which defactorization formula? First, and we are knowing the formula for first. It is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. These three formulae are not needful. याची काही गरज नहीं है. It is not necessary. Just continue now. We'll write the answer here. It is equal to, this is A and this 2x means P. So which formula we are using? 2 sin A cos B. What is 2 sin A cos B? It is sin of A plus B. Means it is sin of A plus B means 4x plus 2x plus sin of what should A minus B. A minus B means 4x minus 2x. Your answer is sin of 4x plus 2x is 6x. And plus sin of 4x minus 2x is 2x. It is your answer. Don't proceed now because they have given, just write the answer in sum form or answer is in difference form. We have converted the answer in summation form. Problem stops here. Original problem is in product, we have converted is in sum. Actually second question we will quote here. Suppose this question is given. It is a 2 cos 4 theta into cos of 2 theta. Now whatever the problem it is given in the board, we have to remember this formula. Here it is 2 cos 4 theta into cos 2 theta. It is equal to this formula we want here. 2 cos A cos B. What is the defactorization formula? It is in your notebook actually. It is cos of A plus B in plus cos of A minus B. This is the original formula. What is the value of A and B in present problem? A is replaced by 4 theta and B is replaced by 2 theta. Use this formula. What is the answer here? Cos of A plus B means 4 theta plus 2 theta. A plus B चा formula वापरला तर आणि A minus B use करता है तो plus cos of A minus B means 4 theta minus 2 theta. So we have to write here cos of 6 theta and plus cos of 4 theta minus 2 theta. It is equal to 2 theta. It is a record answer. It is transferred in which sign here? It is transferred in summation sign. Now few problems we will take and after that we will stop this lecture. But we have to take some problems. Now take few problems. 1 to 2 problems. Firstly we will take where question 2, that is prove that. I think it is very straightforward and simple question. Very first it is to that sin of 2x plus sin of 2y, it is divided by sin of 2x minus sin of 2y, it is equal to tan of x plus y, it is divided by tan of x minus y. We will continue this one. Take LHS, simple problem it is equal to sin of 2x plus sin of 2y divided by sin of 2x minus sin of 2y. ह्याला कंटिन्यू करायचं असेल तर बेसिक फॉर्म्युला पाठ असेल, here it is sin c plus sin d, it is in numerator, and what is in denominator? Sin c minus sin d. What are the formulae for sin c plus sin d and sin c minus d sin d? We have to remember. Here it is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2, and here sin c minus sin d, it is 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Now this formula we are using in numerator. This is 2x and this is 2y. It is c and this is here d. So tell me the answer. It is 2 numerator formula 2 sin, what is written in the bracket, c plus d. C plus d means 2x plus 2y upon 2 into this portion is here cos c minus d. C minus d means 2x minus 2y upon 2, and is a total divided by 2 into denominator formula, it is a cos of 2x plus 2y upon 2 into sin of, it is a 2x minus 2y upon 2. या स्टेपला या स्टेपमध्ये कन्वर्ट करतोय, ते दोन फॉर्म्युले वापरलेत म्हणतोय. इथं sin c प्लस sin d न्यूमरेटर फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला, हे sin c minus sin d इट इज डिनोमिनेटर सेकंड फॉर्म्युला म्हणते. Just calculate and get the answer. Problem is over now. Here it is 2 get cancel. What should be written here? Sin this 2 and 2 or 2 taken common, 2 get cancel. What is remain here? Sin of x plus y, it is multiplied by cos of x minus y, and is a total divided by, here it is 2 get cancel. What is remain here? Cos of x plus y into sin of x minus y. Now use the property from first standard to 10th standard. What is sin upon cos? It is tan, means it is a tan of x plus y. Can I write this is 1 upon, how it is written? Sin upon cos is tan, it is written 1 upon, this denominator is sin of x minus y, cos is shifted in denominator, it is cos of x minus y. What should be your final answer? It is a tan of x plus y divided by, what is the formula for sin upon cos? It is tan. So what is the answer? It is a tan of x minus y, and I think it is your required RHS. It is a tan of x plus y upon tan of x minus y. Problem is finished. Huh? Just we have to remember the formulae, that is factorization and defactorization formulae. Suppose this problem is given here. Suppose second one, it is sin 6x plus sin 4x minus sin 2x, it is equal to 4 cos x into sin 2x into cos 3x. Problem is very straightforward and very simple, but we have to remember the factorization defactorization formula. Procedure is again same. Take LHS. Very first is sin 6x plus sin 4x minus sin 2x. Now this very first two term if we combine, then which formula you have to use? Sin, this is c, plus the second one is sin d, and original formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Now use this formula. This is here c and this is here d. So we can write this as 2 sine c plus d means 6x plus 4x upon 2 into cos of, this is c minus d, means 6x minus 4x upon 2 and minus sine 2x. Third term is taken as it is. फक्त दोन टर्म्स कंबाइन करते फर्स्ट टू, that is sin c plus sin d हा फॉर्म्युला म्हणते 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now continue. It is a 2 sin 6 plus 4, it is 10 upon 2 into cos of 6x minus 4x, it is 2x upon 2 minus, it is as it is sin 2x. It is a 2 sin 10x upon 2, it is 5x. 2 get cancelled, it is simply x. It is minus it is 2 sin 10x upon 2, it is a 5x. Sin 6x sin 4x minus sin 2x. Sin plus sin, it is 2 sin cos, it is cos x. 2 sin 5x cos x minus sin of 2x. Just proceed now. It is a 2 sin 5x into cos x minus, this sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x into cos x. Anything common here? Okay, common is the 2 cos x and this 2 cos x common. What is the remaining in bracket? It is a sin 5x minus sin x. In order to proceed, formula we have to continue here. कोणता formula वापरावा लागेल? sin c minus sin d, and formula is here 2 cos, first bracket is c plus d by 2 and here it is sin, second bracket is c minus d by 2. In present problem this is c and this is d, so I will write there 2 cos x. Use this formula 2 cos c plus d, it is a 5x plus x upon 2 into sin c minus d, it is a 5x minus x upon 2. Just proceed and get the answer. From here we have to continue. It is a 2 cos x into, it is a cos of 5x plus x, it is 6x. It is a 2 cos 6x upon 2 into that last one, it is sin of 5x minus x, it is 4x upon 2. Cancel this now. This 2 and this 2, it is a 4. It is simply cos x. It is a cos of 3x, and after cancellation it is sin of 2x. Without any mistake, I think it is your required RHS. In order to make more practice, we will take few examples also. Suppose this is third one question. It is sin x minus sin 3x plus sin 5x minus sin 7x. It is divided by cos x minus cos 3x minus cos 5x plus cos 7x and is equal to cot 2x. It is asked to prove that here. Now take LHS and prove RHS. Same technique I will adopt. LHS, it is sin x minus sin 3x it is a plus sin 5x minus sin 7x, it is divided by cos x minus cos 3x. From that, if I take minus common, here minus cos 5x minus cos 7x bracket close. This is your LHS. Now I will combine like this. First two I will combine, last two it is combined, these two and these two, these are combined. So here formula, which formula we have to use? Sin C minus sin D. It is a 2 cos C plus D means x plus 3x upon 2 into sin of x minus 3x upon 2. These are very important. Which formula we are using here? Again sin minus sin. Sin C minus sin D. It is a 2. It is a plus sign actually. It is a 2 cos of addition 5x plus 7x upon 2 into sin of subtraction here. Instead of 5x plus 7x we have to write 5x minus 7x upon 2. Here numerator complete thala. Same type denominator finish, but with formula. Here it is cos C minus cos D. It is a 2 sin, first bracket is x plus 3x upon 2, second is sin of, reverse the situation. It is a 3x minus x upon 2. Here minus, it is a 2 cos minus cos, it is sin a minus b, which is 5x plus 7x upon 2. Reverse the situation, it is sin of 7x minus 5x upon 2. Those who are having command on calculation, they can do this problem in very few minutes. X plus 3x, it is a 4x. 4x upon 2, it is 2x. X minus 3x, it is a minus 2x. Minus 2x upon 2, it is minus x. We will do like this. Just I will write this step above this one. Here it is equal to, here I will write 2 cos x plus 3x, 4x. 4x upon 2, it is 2x. Here it is sin x minus 3x is minus 2x. Minus 2x upon x, it is minus x. Plus 2 is as it is. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 upon 2, 6. It is a cos of 6x. 5x minus 7x, it is minus 2x. Upon 2, it is just minus x. And it is a total divided by. Here same situation. It is a 2 sin x plus 3x, 4x. 4x upon 2, it is 2x into sin of 3x minus x, it is 2x. 2x upon 2 actually. 2x upon 2, it is x. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 upon 2, it is 6. So it is a plus 2 sin 6x. And 7x minus 5x, it is 2x. 2x upon 2 is just x. So it is sin x. Just proceed here. Sin of minus x is minus sin x, so your step is minus 2 cos 2x into sin x. This sin of minus x is minus sin x, so it is minus 2 sin 6x into sin x. It is a total divided by, this is a 2 sin 2x into sin x plus 2 sin 6x into sin x. Now take common from numerator. I think common from numerator is minus 2 and sin x. It is common. What is remaining in bracket? It is a cos 2x. I think this is minus 2, but this is not sin 6x. It should be a cos 6x. Cos 2x minus cos 6x, and is total divided by, here 2, it is taken common 2. This is sin x and this is sin x, common is here sin x, and in second bracket it is sin 2x plus sin 6x. Next, this 2 sin x and this 2 sin x get cancelled. I think problem becomes simple. Now here which formula we are using? Cos C minus cos D, and here sin C plus sin D. Here is minus as it is. What is the formula for cos minus cos? It is a 2 sin. Numerator is 2x plus 6x upon 2 into again sin of, but reverse the situation. 6x minus 2x upon 2 minus 2 sin 2x, it is cos 2x minus cos 6x, cos minus cos, it is 2 sin upon sin 2x, it is 2, I think this sign is plus or minus here, this sign is plus, I think. In very first form it is sin 6x, so it is plus 2 sin 6x and sin of x only, so it becomes here plus, so it is here plus, both are in cos, I think. Here it is cos plus cos, it is cos of 2x plus 6x, and it is cos of 2x minus 6x. It is total divided by 2. Here it is sin of, first is 2x plus 6x upon 2, and sin plus sin, it is 2 sin cos, it is a cos of 2x minus 6x upon 2. Very first situation, it is 2 cos 2x into sin of sin minus sin, it is 2 cos sin, it is minus x. Here it is sin minus sin, 2 cos sin, it is minus x, actually it is minus x, then it becomes here minus 2, actually here it is minus, in numerator it is minus, I think. Denominator is here 2 sin 2x, 2 sin 2x into sin x, and minus taken common, then it is minus 2 sin 6x and 2x, here is minus, in denominator it is minus, means all are here minus, and here changes here. Here it is sin minus sin, it is a 2 cos, it is a 2x plus 6x upon 2, and it is sin of 2x minus 6x upon 2, so it is minus, this 2 get cancelled, cos get cancelled, cos by sin it is cot, and it is minus 4x upon 2 means minus 2x, and it becomes cot 2x. I think it is your required RHS. Okay, timing we will stop here. I think this chapter completes here only. In next lecture we will take a new chapter here. Stop.